Hello and welcome to Picmaker. Today we will see how to use backgrounds in Picmaker. But why do you need backgrounds? It enables your audience to clearly view your picture here. Simple backgrounds like these, like the one we have in this design, help to bring the image in focus. That way you can communicate exactly what you want here. Now in this design, we see that there is a black background here. When we click on the edge right here, we notice the black color here. We can change the background here to a different color. For example, we can choose white, which is not helpful here. We can choose red, again which is not helpful here. Or we can choose a different color altogether. We will choose this one, which is quite good. But what if we want to use a different background altogether? Let's take a look at another design. This time we don't have the picture here, we just have the font. What we can do is on the left hand menu bar, we can go and click on backgrounds here and notice all the different backgrounds loading. There are tons of backgrounds here like gradients, patterns, abstract, texture. But since this design is about Tokyo in Japan, we will search for a relevant background here and say Japan. Let's see what loads. There you go. There are tons of these backgrounds here. Now we will choose one that suits our design here. Let's go and select this one. There you go. This is how a background gets rendered on Picmaker. The best thing about it is you don't have to worry about placing this right at the back of your design. It gets placed automatically and adjusts to the dimensions. Awesome, isn't it?